Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become a buzzword in recent years, but what exactly is it? In this beginner's guide, we'll explore the basics of AI and how it's changing the world around us. At its core, AI is the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as recognizing patterns, making decisions, and learning from experience. The key to AI is data. Machines are trained on vast amounts of data, allowing them to recognize patterns and make predictions. One example of AI in action is self-driving cars. These vehicles use sensors and cameras to gather data about their environment, allowing them to make decisions about how to navigate the roads. Another example is virtual assistants, such as Siri or Alexa. These use natural language processing to understand and respond to users' requests. AI is also being used in healthcare, where robots are being used to perform surgeries with greater accuracy than human doctors. AI is also being used in social media, where it's used to personalize users' feeds and advertisements based on their behavior and interests. And in the gaming industry, AI is being used to create more realistic and challenging opponents for players. While AI has many benefits, it also raises ethical concerns about the impact on jobs, privacy, and decision-making. As AI continues to develop and become more integrated into our lives, it's important to stay informed about its capabilities and limitations. With this beginner's guide, you now have a basic understanding of what AI is and how it's changing the world around us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI futurist updates.